My name is Paul McKenny from the Marsden Group, and I'm here at Smithfield Market, Gordon Meats, to demonstrate the DS781SS weighing scale. DS781SS is an approved price computing scale, either mains or battery powered. The DS781SS is ideal for shops or market traders, as it can give a price per kilo or price per 100 gram. This scale has a splash-proof housing, 16 produce keys and an optional vegetable scoop. Let's put some meat on the scale and I'll show you how it works. To demonstrate the price per kilo function using this beautiful joint of Angus beef, simply input the price per kilo, in this instance £1 per kilo, place the product on the base to display a price of £3.50 for this particular joint. To use the tear facility, for example, to tear off the weight of a box or a tray or a container, simply place the box on the scale, press T for tear, which will show the enormous weight. Then simply place the product onto the IO box to display the actual weight of the product. The DS781SS, tried and tested,